This is why you need to ditch fast food forever. Fast food might seem like a convenient and tasty option, but the truth is, it's doing more harm than good. Let's dive into the shocking reasons why you should say goodbye to fast food for good. First and foremost, your health is at stake. The ingredients used in fast food are often of low quality, and the cooking methods can be detrimental to your well-being. The high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts can lead to a myriad of health issues. Your health depends on it. When you're putting yourself at risk for serious health conditions. Heart disease, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol are just a few of the potential consequences. The excessive sodium content in fast food can lead to hypertension, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the unhealthy fats found in fast food can clog your arteries, increasing the likelihood of heart attacks. Ever wondered what's lurking in that burger? It's not just about the calories, it's about the quality of those calories. Fast food is often made with processed ingredients that lack essential nutrients. These empty calories can lead to weight gain and nutritional deficiencies. Moreover, the additives and preservatives used to prolong the shelf life of fast food can have harmful effects on your body. Fast food is loaded with unhealthy fats, salts, and sugars. These components are not only bad for your waistline but also for your overall health. The high sugar content can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. The unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats, can increase bad cholesterol levels while decreasing good cholesterol levels, further contributing to heart disease. It might taste good, but it's wreaking havoc on your body. The immediate gratification of a tasty meal is not worth the long-term damage it can cause. Fast food can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and acid reflux. The lack of fiber in fast food can disrupt your digestive system, making it harder for your body to process and eliminate waste. One burger can have more calories than you need in a whole day. And those fries? They are not just a side dish, they are a health hazard. The deep frying process used to make fries creates harmful compounds such as acrylamide, which is a potential carcinogen. The high-calorie content of fast food can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for numerous health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. They're like little sticks of heart disease. The combination of unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and high-calorie content makes fries a ticking time bomb for your heart. Regular consumption of fries can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Fast food can lead to obesity, diabetes, and heart problems. Plus, it's addictive. The more you eat, the more you crave. The high sugar and fat content in fast food can trigger the release of dopamine, a feel-good hormone, in your brain. This creates a cycle of addiction, where you constantly crave more fast food to experience the same pleasure. Over time, this can lead to overeating and weight gain, which are major risk factors for obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. And don't forget the hidden dangers: artificial preservatives, chemicals, and trans fats. Your body deserves better. Think you're saving time? Think again. The convenience of fast food comes at a high cost to your health. The artificial preservatives and chemicals used in fast food can have long-term health effects, including an increased risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Trans fats, in particular, are known to be harmful to your heart and can increase the risk of heart disease. The time you save now could cost you years later. The short-term convenience of fast food can lead to long-term health problems that can significantly reduce your quality of life. Chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer can shorten your lifespan and reduce your ability to enjoy life. Cooking at home is healthier and cheaper. When you prepare your meals at home, you have control over the ingredients and cooking methods. This allows you to make healthier choices and avoid the harmful additives and preservatives found in fast food. Additionally, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience that brings your family together. So next time you're tempted, remember the long-term consequences of choosing fast food over a home-cooked meal. The convenience and taste of fast food are not worth the risk to your health. Remember, fast food isn't worth the risk. Your health and well-being are more important than the temporary satisfaction of a fast food meal. Choose health, choose life. Protect your body by making healthier food choices. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are all excellent alternatives to fast food. These nutrient-dense foods can provide your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to function properly. And say goodbye to fast food today. By making the decision to eliminate fast food from your diet, you are taking a crucial step towards a healthier and happier life. Your body will thank you for it, and you will feel better both physically and mentally. So, the next time you find yourself craving fast food, remember the reasons why you decided to ditch it in the first place. Your health is worth the effort, and the benefits of a healthy diet far outweigh the temporary pleasure of a fast food meal. Make the choice today to prioritize your health and well-being, and say goodbye to fast food for good. Welcome back! Now that you know why fast food is detrimental to your health, let's delve deeper into the hidden dangers lurking within those seemingly innocent meals. The ingredients used in fast food are not just unhealthy, they can be downright dangerous. Firstly, let's talk about artificial preservatives. These chemicals are added to fast food to extend its shelf life, but what are they doing to your body? Common preservatives like BHA and BHT are linked to cancer and hormonal disruptions. Consuming these regularly can have serious long-term health implications. Next up, we have artificial colors and flavors. These synthetic additives are used to make fast food more appealing, but they come with a host of potential side effects. Some artificial colors, like red 40 and yellow 5, have been linked to hyperactivity in children and may even cause allergic reactions. Artificial flavors, on the other hand, can trick your brain into craving more, contributing to the addictive nature of fast food. And let's not forget about trans fats. These unhealthy fats are often used in fast food because they are cheap and have a long shelf life. However, trans fats can raise your bad cholesterol levels and lower your good cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart disease. The FDA has recognized the dangers of trans fats and has taken steps to limit their use, but they can still be found in many fast food items. Another hidden danger is the high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, found in many fast food beverages and desserts. HFCS is a cheap sweetener that is much more harmful than regular sugar. It has been linked to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. The excessive consumption of HFCS can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. Lastly, let's discuss the hidden sodium in fast food. While you may be aware that fast food is salty, you might not realize just how much sodium you're consuming. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, but just one fast food meal can easily exceed this limit. So, the next time you're tempted by the convenience of fast food, remember the hidden dangers lurking in those ingredients. Your health is too important to risk for a quick meal. Choose fresh, whole foods, and take control of what goes into your body. Your future self will thank you. Stay tuned for more eye-opening insights and tips for a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care of your health and make mindful choices. Welcome back to our deep dive into the world of fast food. We've discussed the shocking reasons to ditch fast food and uncovered the hidden dangers of its ingredients. Now let's explore how these harmful components impact your health in the long run. Fast food is not just a matter of empty calories, it can lead to a cascade of health problems that affect every part of your body. Let's start with your cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of fast food laden with trans fats and high sodium levels can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries. This increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes, making fast food a silent yet deadly enemy to your heart. Next, let's talk about your weight. Fast food is often high in calories but low in nutritional value. This imbalance can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are precursors to a host of other health issues, including type 2 diabetes. The high fructose corn syrup found in many fast food items can disrupt your body's ability to regulate insulin, making it even harder to maintain a healthy weight. But the impact doesn't stop there. Fast food can also affect your mental health. Studies have shown that a diet high in processed foods and sugars can contribute to depression and anxiety. The artificial additives and preservatives can cause chemical imbalances in your brain, leading to mood swings and cognitive decline. Your digestive system is another area that suffers from a fast food diet. The lack of fiber in fast food can lead to digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Over time, this can disrupt your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in your overall health and immunity. And let's not forget about your skin. The high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats in fast food can lead to acne and other skin conditions. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health, and a diet high in fast food can make you look older than you are. In summary, the impact of fast food on your health is far-reaching and profound. It's not just about gaining weight or feeling sluggish, it's about the long-term damage you're doing to your body and mind. By making healthier food choices, you can improve your quality of life and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So the next time you're tempted by the convenience of fast food, remember the long-term impact it can have on your health. Choose fresh whole foods and take control of your well-being. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for staying with us through this eye-opening journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into living a healthier life. Until next time, take care of your health and make mindful choices. Welcome back. We've discussed the personal health impacts of fast food, but what about the broader picture? In this chapter, we're diving into the environmental damage caused by the fast food industry. First, let's consider the sheer volume of waste. Fast food restaurants are notorious for their disposable packaging. Plastic wrappers, cups, straws, and bags. These materials often end up in landfills or worse, our oceans, contributing to pollution and harming marine life. The convenience of fast food comes at a significant environmental cost. Next, there's the issue of resource consumption. The fast food industry relies heavily on industrial farming practices, which consume vast amounts of water, land, and energy. For example, producing a single hamburger can require up to 660 gallons of water, factoring in the water needed to grow feed for livestock. This is a staggering amount of resources for just one meal. Now let's talk about greenhouse gas emissions. The production of meat, particularly beef, is one of the largest contributors to methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Industrial livestock farming not only emits methane but also carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, exacerbating climate change. These emissions contribute to global warming, leading to more extreme weather events and affecting ecosystems worldwide. Another critical aspect is deforestation. To meet the demand for fast food, large areas of forests are cleared to create pastures for livestock and grow crops like soybeans for animal feed. This deforestation leads to the loss of biodiversity and the displacement of indigenous communities. Forests act as carbon sinks, and their destruction releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere, further accelerating climate change. Finally, there's the impact on soil and water quality. The use of pesticides and fertilizers in industrial farming contaminates soil and water sources, affecting not just the environment, but also the health of local communities. These chemicals can lead to dead zones in oceans and rivers, where aquatic life cannot survive. In summary, the environmental damage caused by the fast food industry is extensive and multifaceted. It's not just about the waste or the emissions, it's about the broader impact on our planet's ecosystems and resources. By choosing sustainable food options, we can reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the hidden costs of fast food. If you found this information enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can make a difference for our health and our planet. Until next time, make mindful choices and take care of our Earth. Welcome back, and thank you for staying with us through this important journey. Now that we've uncovered the hidden costs of fast food, both to our health and our planet, you might be wondering, how can I transition away from fast food? In this chapter, we'll explore practical steps to help you make this change. First, start by planning your meals. Meal planning can seem daunting at first, but it's a powerful tool to ensure you have healthy options readily available. Begin by setting aside some time each week to decide what you'll eat. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and lean proteins. Next, consider preparing meals in advance. Meal prepping can save you time and reduce the temptation to grab fast food when you're in a hurry. Cook larger batches of your favorite healthy dishes and store them in portioned containers. This way, you always have a nutritious meal ready to go. Another tip is to keep healthy snacks on hand. Stock up on items like nuts, seeds, yogurt, and fresh fruit. These can satisfy your hunger between meals and prevent you from reaching for unhealthy fast food options. It's also important to educate yourself about nutrition. Understanding what your body needs can help you make better food choices. There are plenty of resources available, from books to online courses, that can teach you about balanced diets and the benefits of different nutrients. Don't forget to find healthier alternatives to your favorite fast foods. Craving a burger? Try making a homemade version with lean meat or a plant-based patty. Love fries? Bake sweet potato fries at home. There are countless recipes online that can help you recreate your favorite dishes in a healthier way. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Transitioning away from fast food is a process, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. The goal is to make sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. By taking these steps, you can gradually reduce your reliance on fast food and embrace a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, every small change makes a difference. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together we can make mindful choices for a better future. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.